The topic is red versus blue. Okay, time is up. Now, when I'll say start, you will start the GD, and remember, you will have 9 minutes to discuss and reach to any conclusion or whatsoever, right? So your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. As our today's topic is red versus blue. So, according to psychologically cognitive behavior, our mind is divided in two parts. First is comes under aggression, which we consider as red, and second is calm, which we consider as a blue. So basically, our mindset, according psychologically, we divide our mind in two ways. First is the aggression, where the other hand it will be calm. First, the red, which considered as a danger, where the blue comes under as patience, where the red denotes as need of attention. Similarly, where the blue shows the way of smoothness, easy. I hope you all agree with my point.
Yeah, absolutely right. I was also thinking on the same slide, Pranshu. Red signifies fire and blue signifies water, from which a human psychology and human emotions could be depicted. Like for a red, we say love, passion for doing something. Or for water, we feel a warmth towards a person or towards a thing when we see a blue color. And we feel a trust towards a particular thing, or we could just think it as a a hot color and a warm color.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
red is
so
a
I
color which has red and blue are colors with contrasting characters. So red can be denoted for love, for your passion for something, and also for anger. And blue can be associated with something which is related to the sky and the sea and the freedom and peace. But apart from these contrasting characters, we there's also a thing which where red and blue complement each other, and that is a beautiful sunset on a calm blue sea.
yeah,
Also, the
exactly.
red and blue is like a blood. We say red blood is for the humans, and blue blood is signifies royalty. We
Yeah,
say
I
when we talk
agree with
about a
you.
royal,
Orange, yeah.
family, royal families, we say they are blue blooded.
Yeah, Vanshika,
That's
you're
what
Exactly.
right.
we
But you know what? Like colors are basically based on our perception, like how you take it. For example, take blue first. So when I think of blue, I think of the ocean. And what else in the ocean? A lot of water. Water gives me fluidity. So I can go with the flow. But whereas the same, if you think of red, that reminds me of the traffic signals, and it stops me. It somewhere symbolizes that there is some danger. So I should be aware of that. So at the same
I-
time, when you think of a different perception, red is the symbol of color, where like love. So you can think it in a positive way as well as negative way. So it's all based on the perception.
Yes, I
Saurabh, I
completely.
just
Another
want to add.
contrasting.
Yes, I
Saurabh, I just want to
completely.
add one more point, Saurabh. Like you mentioned about the blue as a flow. I want to add one more technical term like waveguide. We all are aware of the waveguide, how we differentiate a spectrum
Yeah,
white
the wavelength
split into
defines
waveguide.
which color is how
Exactly.
much
So
frequency, right?
on basically you are defining as ocean as a blue, and you are considering as a flow. But basically, I would like to add one more thing that it depends on the intensity what we are thinking. Like if you're
Exactly,
talking
that's
about
what I
red
said.
love, that's also
Why
intensity.
why are we only considering red and blue only as colors which signifies anger in something? It can also be signified like in the recent election, in the US elections, red was being, the Republican Party was being signified by the red color and the Democratic Party was being signified by the blue color. So we can also see, since both are contrasting in nature, red and blue can also signify those things as well.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think the
that's what I said.
perception
It's
depends on how you want to receive it. For example, there is a RVB, an American TV series, in which two militaries are fighting with each other. So the name is
Yes,
Red
US
versus
tropes
Blue.
I just
also are
Yeah.
signified with these colors. And when we talk about the theories, we have red and versus blue theory as well, which signifies not just the human personality, but also the way the humans pursue towards a thing. Like when we see a thing, if it's of a particular red color, how would we react? And the companies also market their products taking these colors when they want to pop up their product as red or blue in a whole market where there are like the commercial markets or the market stores where there are a lot of products. They use these colors to attract
exactly,
the
Vansika.
customers.
I just want to add one more point over this. Like we all are aware of the potential customers, and we are aware of that which regions likes which kind of color. Like if you're talking about Bihar, then Bihar is considered as a blue city, and if you're talking about
Exactly.
Jaipur, like pink city, there are several cities. So as a
Exactly.
being a market of manager, we can find our potential customer. We can attract the customer on the basis of these colors because they will attract them.
Yes,
Yes,
I
when
completely.
we say
Yes, I
red,
completely agree
the
with what Vanchika and everyone is talking about here about the different colors and also like I think since this being a GD, we should discuss something which is more of a social and relevant cause. When you think about these two colors, what comes to your mind is the red cross and the blue cross. I'm sure
yes,
that
yes,
all the people are here completely know about red cross and blue cross. If you don't know, just giving a brief intro on what is this actually. Blue Cross is an animal welfare organization, whereas the Red Cross is a humanity welfare organization, right?
they
So
also
in
have
the
this
past
slogan
decade,
as well.
I don't remember the slogan. So in the past decade, we know that there has been several violence against humanity and animals. There are so many such events happening in the past decade, right? So when we move on to a new decade, 2026 starting, so these organizations are coming and playing a big hand in eradicating these violences against animals or humans also, right? So as we know that rhino poaching and all has been completely banned in several countries. I mean, it's becoming illegal in almost all the countries. Blue Cross has significantly stepped in, taking serious action against all those parties who are involved in such crimes, right? So we all
Okay.
know about Rohingya Muslims, also the minority of Muslims from the Bangladesh who are treated very cruelly by the military itself. So such
We can
instances,
also take red and blue, which is like, I am so sorry disturbing you in
yeah,
between, but like we have already discussed the red and blue cross, and we are well aware that blue cross is for the animal welfare, and the red and blue. When I was just thinking right now, I thought of the red as a and blue as two planets. Blue is our mother Earth, and red also signifies Jupiter and fire
Okay.
planets.
See, there are
Similarly,
many,
Vansika,
and
yes.
when we are
there are many
discussing
aspects to it.
Okay.
Like you
Just
can
as we are getting
consider color
sort of time.
and
Okay. Yes, Farhan. As
Everyone
we're
is
getting sort of time, let them speak who didn't speak
yeah,
till now. Like
that's what I'm
Aditi.
saying. So there are many
Aditi, could
perceptions to the colors. So color can be defined in many ways and it can be used in a lot of places. So I am a huge football fan, and the red or blue, the first thing which came to my mind was Liverpool. I'm a huge Liverpool fan, and I don't like blue because blue signifies Manchester
I think
City.
it depends
So
on the perception of the people how you receive it.
yeah, that's what
It's
the
like
first
I
thing that
think
came
as
to
a
my
human
mind.
we'll be having
The
a
first thing
very
that came to my
strong
mind was
opinion
football
regarding this.
and
So are we
red,
ending the
red means
topic, or are we ending the topic on a base fact that red, is it red versus blue, or is it red
it's
complementing
not
blue?
like
no,
red
it is
versus blue.
red
Two
versus blue.
things,
It's
two
about
things
Red
are there.
versus
want
I
to
would
Things
like
have
to
understand
add
the
a point
person
regarding
how they
the
see it.
conflict going on
okay.
between
Let
red and
Aditi
blue.
speak. Yeah.
From a scientific point of view,
Yes,
Yeah,
you
go on, go on.
Yeah, I mean, you cannot
Sorry to
imagine
disturb
the
again,
color
but
of
I
sky
think
as red.
we can conclude by that you know all these colors are perceived. All these are just white light at the frequency that hits us, right? Red
Yeah.
and blue each have a from a scientific point of view. It's only a white light that we see, and the dispersion that happens and how we perceive it.
You're not audible, Aditi.
Yeah.
Am I
So,
audible?
so basically, it's
Yeah,
all
so
about the perception
carrying
itself.
out
Like,
her
Am I audible to
argument,
you,
what she
anyone?
meant
yeah,
was that you cannot imagine the color of sky as red. I mean, if you imagine, it sounds horrible, right? So basically, it's how you perceive
No,
it.
we can
No, but why
imagine the
can't
color
we
of
imagine the
sky as
color of
red
yeah,
because
yeah?
you know how there
So
are
where the
weathers
sky is
or
visible when it is red.
when the
it's
eclipse happens, the sky turns out to be orange or
it's
reddish.
basically,
So
yeah,
we
it's
can
basically
imagine
point
the
of view.
sky
Like,
as
if
orange or
if
red.
you put yourself in the reference of Mars, maybe the sky will be orange
Reddish.
in color
Yes,
or
in
reddish in color.
eclipse also this
But
happens.
yeah, so
Or
it
It
all
is
depends
basically
on the
how we
point
Color,
of view.
perceive
color is
things.
not always about
No, even
perspective. Actually, I don't think so because it's, for example, when someone says that when I see red, it's signal. I remember the signal's color, but that is also strategically put, right?
yes,
When I
exactly.
see
That's
that
what I was
red
saying.
is for to show that I can see it from a far distance, and it's not using any other color.
Yeah,
But
but
I
at
can
the same
also
time,
associate red and blue in a different way. Like I had recently read a book called Game of Thrones: Fire and Ice. So the instantly that first thing that came into mind was fire and ice, and not about the destruction and the serenity that comes, but if we think in a certain way, both of them helps to create something. For example,
exactly,
in
Aditi.
our earth, when we created, we know that first it was too hot and then it calmed down and created this other earth. So it's not complementing or it's not against each other. It's both together, one unity that we perceive in a different way depending on the
Exactly, Aditi.
situations that
I
we are
agree
in.
with your point. Like
But
red and blue, both are creative points. Both are creative
like in a
points. I
yeah.
just mentioned
Time up, guys. Time up.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
Am I audible?
How, according to you guys, if anyone could tell me, just 1 second. Okay. Aditi, you tell me, how was it according to you?
It was one.
It was quite imaginative from many parts. I heard a lot of perspectives that I've never thought of imagining.
ओके फरहान आपका क्या कहना है आप हो
I don't know. I'm audible.
wow too soon to confirm that right
Got stuck in I was got confused.
you're not audible
Your
your
voice
voice
is
is cracking
Audible or not?
your voice is cracking okay so did has had any of you read that before किसी को भी इस टॉपिक के बारे में पहले पता था
No.
it was
I was aware of the white and black.
read in
It was very
mute
random.
but just
Red
mute
and black
yourself
never.
everyone just mute right so what is the most famous rivalry that comes to our mind when we think of red versus blue one you mentioned football that is very good point Manchester United Chelsea Liverpool and City these are some things Coke versus Pepsi, the oldest rivalry that comes with red versus blue. I was hoping that maybe any of you will bring this. Second, one of the very good thoughts that come over this is blue represents water, red represents blood. In the future, this could be the reason of war, right? We always say that blue can bring red. So basically, bloodshed ho sakta hai due to this water. So these are the points that we could have connected although you all gave very good points, Pranshu, you started it. I think Pranshu started and Vanshika came in. सबसे पहले I'll just now give you a feedback. Let me just stop it now.